Hi guys, welcome to another video clip of mrlopezclasses.com. Today we are going to continue with the analysis of the oil sample. What happened when you receive the report of the oil sample and the content of nickel is high? Okay, you have problems probably on the valves, on the heat exchanger, on the crankshaft, on the camshaft, or on the pistons. What is the element with high content of nickel? The heat exchanger. Of course, the heat exchangers. What happened if I have a problem with the heat exchanger? Probably the temperature of the engine is high, of course, lack of raw water, or I have a raw water mixed with the coolant. You need to analyze what happened in my coolant. The color of the coolant changed dramatically. Probably the salt water is mixed with the coolant, or vice versa, and loss of power. Those are the symptoms when you have a high content of nickel in the oil sample. Other element that you need to verify is the valves. Of course, if you have problem with the valves, you have low compression. If the valves are wear, probably the oil penetrate in the combustion chamber and you have blue smoke. If the valves are wear, probably you have a knocking because you have that sound on the head, on the valve cover. And also you found that high level of nickel on the pistons, if the pistons are in aluminum, and once again loss of power, low compression, and blue smoke. Okay, this is the analysis when you have high content of nickel in the oil sample.